Riri manathi makoretwo maigite mirothi na kuhotomia uheani wa motungata ma ugima wa mwiri thiini wa thibitari cia kaunti ngurani. Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni athiite manathi acio macoke wira gukinyiria muthi wa gatano thaa 2 cia rucini.
All nurses should resume duty with effect and in any case not later than Friday the 15th of February 2019 at 8 a.m.
Akiaria thutha wa kunanira njung'wa na anyitite ngurani ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri thiini wa thingira wa iregi, president ni augite igeria ria manathi ria kwaga gucoka wira rigucungiriria makorwo makibutwo wira ni thirikari cia kaunti oro undu umwe na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri wa muingi.
Any nurse who fails to report to work as directed above will be dismissed by the county governments and the Ministry of Health.
Mugomo wa manathi wambiriirie muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia kihituku kuria nakio kiumia giki manathi angi maingiriire mugomo ucio. No ona kuri uguo, president ni onanitie ni kwaga kuiganira ni uria manathi makorirwo magikeruka watho wa igoti wa Gwathana miario ikuru ikiambikwo na gwetha kihonia kia ndugamano iyo.
It is disheartening to hear officials of the nursing union declare that they will not obey court orders. One of the most important principles on which our republic is established is the rule of law, and no one is above the law. Obeying court orders is not optional, and it is a requirement of all of us, no matter their place in society.
Mwena-ini wake mwandiki mukaru wa kiama kia manathi guku bururi-ini Seth Panyako augite ati mugomo wao ni mugitire ni watho.
We want to urge our members to remain firm, fight for their rights, because the Constitution of the people of Kenya under Article 41 provides that every worker has the right to go on strike, and the strike is properly protected. If there is anything otherwise, we shall advise our members properly. As I have...
Na niguo gutigirira aria magacoka wira matina guoyohio, president ni oritie maofitha a borithi makorwo mari maitho niguo guthatia njama ya andu aria mangikorwo na muoroto wa kuhotomia uheani wa motungata ma ugima wa mwiri.
Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, I have instructed the National Police Service to take stern action against those picketeers who may intimidate or otherwise harass the public servants who intend to go to work.
Panyako atigitwo na gwitetera ati ndari na uhoti wa kunina mugomo ucio, undu uria augite uri moko-ini ma atongoria ngurani a kiama kia manathi thiini wa kaunti ngurani oro undu umwe na thirikari cia kaunti.
Given the powers to negotiate to my branch officials, and therefore is the branch officials who shall advise me that now the General Secretary, we have entered into an agreement with our employer, and we have decided that we should call off the strike or suspend the strike, or we have decided that we will suspend the strike or call off the strike owing to the following reasons.
Nugari wa Bui, Jata TV.